Hello friends, I'm your host Saurav from Techniture. Today I'm going to give you a review on one of the best thing in HTC Desire 820s, and it is HTC reading list. Yeah, it is HTC reading list. So how you can get this list? So for this list, first you should be at home like this, and you have to drag left to right like this, and you can see here that you can get each and every news from different news sources, so you can read each and every content if you are using HTC device. So you can so I'm going to tell you how you can sync content here. So for the content, you know that I have already sync here Bollywood headline news and again Bollywood. So to get content, you have to just type this place like three dotted here. You can see, yeah, three dotted. You'll type here. Now you can see here on the top, you can see compose, after it services and apps, after it add content, after it remove content, and after it setting. So first we check in setting. We can see here in the setting area or auto refresh, offline news reading list, and choose highlight topic. Okay, so offline news reading is text only. Now I'm going to on it like this, so we can also read it all of the content when we switch off our Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to tell you how you can add content. To add content, you have to just click this here and click on add content area like this, and now you can see choose from your interest. Like if you are interested in astrology, just tap on astrology and click in this check area. Now check it and just back. Now we are just going to back, and now you can see here it's updating here like this. Yeah, now we can check here. Yeah, we have just added astrology, so you can see here like astrology is also added here. If you want to add different, like if you are a health geek, if you want to take yourself more healthy and want to read more article on health, so you can go tap on health and just click here and just back like this. You can again see that it's updating here like this. Yeah, now you can see each and everything of health is here. Like रातों रात रुके बालों कोई ब्यूटीफुल बनाना चाहते हैं, और each and everything related to health. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some other things. Like if you have added these things, now if you want to remove anything, like if you want to remove astrology, so you have to just click here and remove content like it and choose the content. Like if you want to remove astrology, you have to just click like it, tap on it and click on radio button like this and remove, click on remove. So you can see here that astrology is not here. So it is a very good thing in HTC device, like in this HTC Desire 820s. So you can read each and everything on the go. You have no need to search any other news website through your internet, because each and everything is available in this feed like it. So we have also on one thing, how we can read content through offline. So we can also switch off. Now we can just going to read it like this. Yeah, we have switch off our Wi-Fi, and we can also again read the article. So if you are in the you are in office, or you are at your home and you are able to access Wi-Fi, then you can download each news from here in, and each and everything is displaying here. So once you are in the traveling or going to your office by using metro or by using any bus, so you can read each and everything in offline also like it. I have switched off the Wi-Fi and I am still able to read news. So it is one of the best thing in HTC Desire 820s. So friends, this is my review of HTC reading list. Hope you will like this video. Please like this video and please share this video on social media, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is Technutor. Sayonara, thank you, bye.